Hey, Dan McKnight here, chairman and founder of BringOurTroopsHome.us and the director of the 107club.com. I'm here at Independence Indoor Shooting in Meridian, Idaho, and I wanted to show you guys the gun that we're about to give away in our newest gun giveaway that ends in a few short weeks, just in time for Christmas. To win this gun or any guns in the future that we give away, please go to 107club.com and sign up for a monthly recurring donation of $10, and you'll be entered to win this one and all future guns. And remember, every penny that we collect goes towards our fight in the state legislatures to promote the Defend the Guard legislation. So I'm gonna bring my friend Eli on here. Eli, would you tell them a little bit about the gun and some of the accessories that we have?
So what you got here is kind of a rare Springfield St. Victor in OD green. I haven't seen very many of these floating around, almost maybe limited edition you might consider it. We decked it out with a 6-hour Romeo 7S red dot. These are new to the market. We have a Surefire Scout light mounted, ready to go on the rifle, and we also added on a sling. You might not be able to see it very well because it matches the rifle really well, but you got a sling and a angled foregrip, some grip panels. You could consider it fully kitted, really ready to go and do most whatever this rifle is capable of doing out the box. So
awesome, thanks Eli. So as you can see, OD green, right? All this in the military, this is probably our favorite color. This thing is ready to go for home defense or for whatever you need it for. And again, if you want to win this gun or any other guns in the future, go to 107club.com. That's TENSEVEN club.com. And for a $10 or more monthly recurring donation, you'll be entered to win. Hope to see you at 107club.com.